Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the domain and sketch the graph of the function f of x is equal to 1.6x minus 2.4. So first, let's get the domain. The domain of a standard function is all real numbers, and then we look at our function in particular and say, okay, which values from all the real numbers can we not have? And that can be found by sometimes taking the square root of a negative number, dividing by 0, but here, no matter what number we put in, we're going to have a valid answer. Therefore, our domain is all real numbers, or negative infinity to positive infinity. Now let's sketch the graph. In the xy plane, where we have f of x on the y-axis over x, we have a line here, right, a linear function. The y-intercept is negative 2.4. So that'll be somewhere around here. And then all that really matters is where the x-intercept is, because that'll just be another point we can plot in, and then we can graph the line between them. So for the x-intercept, that means y has to be 0, f of x has to be 0. So we have 0 is equal to 1.6x minus 2.4. Solving for x here, these cancel. I'm left with 1.6x is equal to 2.4. Dividing by 1.6, these cancel. X is equal to 1.5. So that's going to be somewhere around here, 1.5. Now we just graph the line between them. It's not perfect, but it'll do. This is the graph, and this is the domain of the function f of x is equal to 1.6x minus 2.4.